Hey guys, so today is going to be a tutorial on these lemonade eyes. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I've already put on foundation and also primed my eyes with my Milani eyeshadow primer. So we're going to start off with my Club Tropicana palette. And we're going to go in with the shimmery yellow color. We're going to take our finger and we're just going to start applying that on the inner corner of the eyelid. And you're just going to keep going back into the color a few times until you get it to the desired intensity that you want. After that, I'm going into my Element of Surprise palette by Colourpop. And I'm going to take this beautiful pink color right here. And we're going to blend that into the yellow to create a nice gradient. We're now going to go back into the Club Tropicana palette once again, and we're going to take the yellow color and just go back over it again because a little bit of it faded away. And now taking my Hard Candy eyeliner in Hot Pants. Funny name. I'm just gonna put that all along the waterline. And then with this e.l.f. concealer brush, I'm going to take the shimmery yellow color again. And I'm just going to lightly dust that along the waterline in the inner corner. Top off the look, I'm gonna go take my Total Temptation mascara and we're just gonna make our lashes longer. Now with my Mosaic blush by Essence, I'm going to take this new heart bristle brush that I got at TJ Maxx for $4. And I'm just going to blush up my cheeks. Now I've been looking for a heart-shaped brush that was similar to the It Cosmetics one, and I finally found this one, and So yeah guys, that pretty much completes this lemonade eye tutorial. So if you want to see more like this, then please like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!